Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the first time I'm doing a Q&A video and I'll answer some of the questions that were asked by you. I posted something on community tab. I stated that you have to ask me questions, and so I've written some questions here in this notebook. Okay, I'll start with the questions then. First is, what is your name, where do you live, and what are you studying? So my name is Ayushi and I live in the capital city of Uttarakhand. You must know that. Next, what are you studying? So I'm in college now in second year because exams were not held. I'm in Delhi University Miranda House. And for all those who asked me about Delhi University and their cutoffs, after seeing the results of different boards like the state boards, CBSE boards, and ICSE boards, I can predict that the cutoffs can be skyrocketing. So, but there is no need to worry. Even if you don't get admission into Delhi University, that is not only the option. You have got so many colleges, and there are plenty of colleges in our country. It's dependent on you how you study. For example, I am in Miranda House. I'm not attending the lectures and I'm struggling with mathematics, BSc Maths Honors. I'm confessing this. So please choose your course wisely. Do not take it like I scored 100 in mathematics or I scored 100 in physics, so I'll go with that honors only. It's not like that. So please choose your option wisely. Okay, I'll move on to the next question. What's your personality type? So, if you can make any guesses, you can comment. For me, I mean, most of my friends say you're very funny and you're a person with cheerful disposition, and that's what I feel. I like to hang out with my friends, really. Really, yeah. And yesterday we made a plan to go out, but it was like nobody wanted to come because most of my friends are a little bit introvert. Let's move on to the next question. How are you as a person? I'm like, I'll not talk to anybody when somebody comes to me at like random. If a random person comes to me and talks to me, I'm like very shy at that time. But after 2 to 3 days, when I gain confidence, then I am like, I'll shoot that person, I'll make that person mad. So, yeah, I'm a kind of mad person also. And at the same time, I am funny and jolly. That's what I am. Moving on, where do you see yourself in 5 years or 10 years? So, this was a frequently asked question. I'll tell you one thing. See, I can't say anything about my future because my present decides my future. So, I'll try to be very attentive, and I'll focus on what I'm doing in present so that my future it builds up because of my present. So it's like I have fixed an aim, but that I'll reveal afterwards when I achieve that goal. So yeah, next is, what are you pursuing now? I told you I am pursuing BSc Maths Honors. I'm in second year right now, third semester. Did your parents know about your channel when it started? I'll tell you the whole process, the whole journey. It was like I was in 10th and I shooted a random video on some explanation of a chapter. I don't remember that chapter now. I've deleted it. So what I did was I explained it, and I did not know about thumbnail and description box tags. I did not know about anything. I was a rookie at that time. And after 2 to 3 days, I got like 50 subscribers. I mean, I was shook. I thought, how did I get this? Because my friends tell me that it's very difficult to grow on YouTube, to get subscribers, to gain views. So that time I felt like my channel is working, but how is it possible? Then I came to know that these days examinations are going on, so the students they wrote this story name and my channel it appeared, and they clicked on the video, and that's the reason, because that was the explanation of some poem which was not uploaded on YouTube, and I was the only one to explain it because nobody tries to make content for ICSE and ISC board. So I started with this initiative even though I was in 10 that time. And I did not know about the monetization policy that you'll get money after you're monetized. I did not know about this. I did not know about that ads appear. I didn't watch YouTube that time. So Yeah, and about my parents, even they did not know about this. They thought it's like she's doing some kind of educational videos, so let her do it. Because I told them that, mummy, I'm uploading these videos, and after that I'll get money. Because I didn't know about this, but I don't know why I said this. And also I said that I am going to learn these chapters, then explain that. And whenever you explain something to someone, then it is like you grasp more. So that is what I did. Now, the next question: is this channel monetized? If yes, then share the story of you getting the first payment. Yes, this channel is monetized. It was monetized 2 months back, and I know that it took long because I started my channel from 2018. I uploaded only one video in the entire year. After that, I started consistently uploading from 2020 because my boards ended. So I thought, why not to give it a try, to concentrate on YouTube and then upload videos on this. After that, I saw that there was a kind of like little gain, and I could see that I was gaining subscribers gradually. And yeah, what do you okay, so somebody asked me that, share the story of you getting your first payment. See, I am monetized. I'll tell you the process how it is monetized. You have to like gain 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Only after that you are monetized. That is the ads are played on your video. I'm monetized, but I did not receive my first payment yet because there is a threshold of $100 that you have to like goal. And when you reach this goal of $100, after that you receive your first payment. So I did not receive my first payment yet, but it's like I love making videos and content. I like to share my knowledge, so it's altogether a wonderful experience for me. Who all supported you while opening a channel? Who all supported? I told you that I uploaded a random video and nobody supported me. Nobody suggested me to do this. It was like I did it by myself. Next is, what do you think, what's the importance of yoga in students' life? Yoga. I'll tell you, I did yoga for 15 days, and after that I ended up doing yoga. I'm a very lazy person, and I don't feel like waking up in the morning and then doing exercise, but I have to do this. Otherwise, I'll not stay fit. But yes, I'll quote something: a healthy mind is in a healthy body, so you must exercise. I tried some of the yoga poses like the Bhujangasana, Cobra pose, what it's called, and there were many. I just forgot, it skipped from my mind. You must do yoga. You can see Baba Ramdev videos, and then try them out, different kinds of yoga. Okay, this is a very interesting question. Are you doing what you wanted to? What was your first dream as a little kid? This is one question that I feel inquisitive about, and I'm gonna tell you what my story is. When I was in 5th, I said, Mama, I'll become a president, I'll go in politics. I don't know why I said it. After that, I was in 10th. I made up my mind that I'll take bio from 11th. But I don't know why I landed up taking maths. I think I was more inclined towards mathematics than biology, even though I was good at biology and I felt that it was the best subject till 10th. So that time I was very confused which option to take and where should I go with. Then I got to know that bio has very limited options. For me, I'm not talking about everyone, everybody has different opinion. So I felt that it had only one option: to give NEET and then become a doctor and do MBBS, whatever the procedure is. So I thought I should take mathematics so that I can have various options, various streams are available for me. So that is the only reason, because I wanted to be an AFMC doctor at that time when I was in 9th or 10th. But I don't know, my dreams keep on changing. I'm not stick to any particular aim. It happened with me a lot. But now I have decided I'll do that only. Okay? I'll not reveal it right now. So I think that is all. Okay, next video will come up in 6K and I'll answer the questions then. You may drop it in this comment section. Thank you for watching the video. Please like it. Please. This is my request. Thank you.